Good morning, students. We are into the new chapter that is Land of Ice and Snow. Okay, so what we are going to learn in this, the region which is filled always throughout the year through ice and snow, that is freeze zone. So, what and all we are going to study? One of the land called Greenland. Why it is covered with the land of ice and snow? Its location, climate, vegetation, and wildlife, and how the economy and life of the people and changing lifestyle of Greenland country. So let us study in detail in today's class. Okay. So students, here is an activity for you to find out at one place. So let us look at it. So you must have heard that on Christmas Santa Claus comes to give lots of gift which he comes riding on his sleigh. But do you know which animal helps him to ride his sleigh? Whether it's a goat or reindeer. Where is this animal found? So, reindeer generally found in the polar regions. So, answer is reindeer. So, why do you have to study about this reindeer? We know that it's situated in polar region. So, where does the polar region or the tundra region lies in the globe? Towards North Pole and South Pole, which that is in the Arctic region. Correct. So reindeer are found in Arctic region. So we will study in today's class about Arctic region which lies to the northern freeze zone, and the regions lying in the northern and southern freeze zone are called known as polar region or tundra region. So in understand the life of tundra region, we will study about one of the land called Greenland. Okay. So students, this is the image of a land of ice and snow. Okay. So dear students, these kind of animal where we can see generally in the Arctic region, correct? So other than this, that is polar bear, what we can see Arctic region, fox, hare, Bulunga whale and caribou, or we can say reindeer. So students, then what is highland? And highland is a region which consists of four sides of land will be covered by water. So the image which we are seeing in the video is an island which is covered by four sides of water. So that is highland. So who has found out this Greenland for the first time? So students, Eric the Reds has found out the Greenland first time in the Arctic region. He is the person who has found this region for the first time. What is name? Eric the Reds. So students, now we'll move on to the location of the Greenland. Where it is located? Generally, the Greenland is situated towards the northeast of Canada, and it is separated from Baffin Bay and the Davis Strait of highlands of the Canada. These two highlands have separated the Greenland, which is situated towards the northeast of Canada. And Greenland, though it is a part of Denmark, its capital is Nuuk, N-U-U-K, N-U-U-K, and before it was called as Godthub. Okay. So students, moving further about the Greenland. Greenland lies in the frigid zone of northern hemisphere. Where it lies? In the frigid zone of northern hemisphere. It is the world's largest highland of country. And coming to the location, Greenland is situated towards northeast of Canada. And it is going to be separated from the highlands of Canada. Two highlands. What are they? The Baffin Bay and the Davis Strait. So the Arctic Circle, which passes through southern part of Greenland, most of the Greenland therefore lies in the frigid zone in the northern hemisphere. So this region is also known as tundra region. So now we'll move on to the how the land and the climate in the frigid zone, that is Arctic zone of the northern hemisphere, about Greenland. So almost 80% of the Greenland was covered by snow and ice throughout the year, as it is stay away from the sunrise. It is away from the equatorial region. So the southern western coast of Greenland will be warmer than the rest of it. So therefore most of the population is going to be found in the southern western coast of Greenland. And coming to the climate of the Greenland remains extremely cold throughout the year. So during the summer it will be short and cold. While in the winter it will be long and severely cold. As the temperature varies from how many degrees Celsius? 5 degrees Celsius in summers to minus 23 degrees Celsius in the winter. So it leads to cold and strong winds blow in the Greenland. And Greenland witnesses the midnight sun. In summer, there is a continuous sunlight of weeks, and sun can be seen even during night. Whereas in the winters, the sun hardly rises over the horizon. So it remains dark during the winter months. So students, so the southern western coast of the Greenland is warmer than the rest of it. So the population is going to be stay in this part compared to other parts of the Greenland. So students, generally our globe has been divided by latitudes and longitudes, and it has got Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, Equator and Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. And we also have South Pole and the North Pole which is covered by the frigid zone. So today in our today's class we are going to study about the countries which lies in the frigid zone, that is Greenland. And also students, we can see the big icebergs which are floating on the surface of the earth. So these might cause dangers to the people when the ship is going to be travel through the waterways, and it might cause also tsunamis. These once they float into once they are floating on the surface, once they break down and fall into the water, it might cause the harmful to the people. So the Greenland consists of ice and snow throughout the year. So we'll see the meaning of icebergs, which we saw in the previous slide. So huge pieces of the ice frequently break off and float in the sea. So they are called icebergs. In the southwestern coast of Greenland, the warmest part of our country. So most of the people live here. So in today's class, what we learned, the Greenland, where it lies in the frigid zone of northern hemisphere, and it is one of the world largest island of the country. Next, it is remains full of ice. The land remains full of ice and snow throughout the year, because as it stay away from the equatorial region and away from the sun rays, and its capital is Göteborg or Nuuk, and it is separated by which island? Island of Canada, Davis Strait and Baffin Bay. And where it is situated towards the northeast of Canada. So students, I will be discussing in the live session more about this. Thank you.